Morning has broken. A scene of prosperity spreads out. We encounter by chasing the light, source of energy, accumulate strength. We travel while basking in its radiance and aspire to catch up with the pace of light. As a top-tier brand in the photovoltaic industry, from traditional manufacturing to smart manufacturing, ceaseless innovations have empowered DOS Solar. High-standard intelligence, dust-free workshops are adopted in 14 production bases. Intelligent management systems, intelligent manufacturing and transportation. From raw materials to products, every aspect of quality is strictly controlled. 100% AI-powered recognition in critical positions efficiently control the entire production process, ensuring the production of high-quality modules. Innovation is the driving force behind the development of DOS Solar. We always prioritize research and development. Technological capabilities are at the forefront of the industry. High-quality products, providing a variety of options to meet the needs of clients. As a lead in N-type technology, ecological photovoltaic, urban photovoltaic, offshore photovoltaic, 3 series of full-scenario photovoltaic system solutions, enabling efficient operation throughout the entire life cycle of our product. Starting from scratch, DOS Solar collaborates with partners for mutual success. We have expanded to more than 60 countries and regions. From China to the world, we are unstoppable. Marketing systems spanning 5 continents, providing customer for all-around service. The annual shipment ranks among the top 10 globally. As an explorer and practitioner of green energy, DOS Solar conveys the energy of light, from faint to dazzling, burst with infinite energy. We pursue the light, treasure every gift by nature, promoting harmony between humanity and nature, achieving success through knowledge and experience. Let us contribute to the creation of a zero-carbon future. DOS Solar, light up your life.